What was the gut feeling that you listened to that saved your life? This was 7 years ago. During the 2016 creepy clown sightings, after school, I let my new friends stay over the night because we got messages of armed clown sightings in our area. I let them sleep over to act cool because I just got into their friend group. My parents went to bed and all of us stayed in the living room. At 10 p.m., 5 of my friends wanted to go around and see the clowns in our area. I told them no, because it's dangerous, and there was already one student in our school that got attacked a few days ago. I felt the pressure, and they just threatened to kick me out of the group. I wanted to go and prove to them that I wasn't scared, but my stomach was telling me to not go. I just felt like something bad was going to happen that night. They all left and didn't come back. The next day, I went to school. There were a bunch of police and took them away for questioning. Rumors spread quickly, so apparently, that night after leaving my house, the other new boy that joined the group was dared to get out of the car and yell at the 2 armed clowns to get its attention. The clowns started running towards him. Instead of taking the new boy back in the car, they drove away and left him. He was in the hospital in critical condition after the clowns got him. Good thing I followed my gut because I know it could have been